Alright, 2025 goal. Posting, sharing, building up an audience here. So to go back to last night, I took a break, I went inside, I calmed down, I had other things today, and then in the late afternoon I come at the snowblower again, figure out what's wrong with it and what I can do. Is my new snowblower broken or whatever? No. I cleared the blockage, cooler heads prevailed, and it turns out to be a slipper. I had ran over. There's a slipper stuck in what I've been taught is called the berm, which is what the snow plow dumps at the end of your driveway. So I'm exhausted. I am beat. But I've won the day. I've succeeded, and all is well, and tomorrow's a new day. I'm beat.